Did you know that the words modo, forma, maneira, and jeito can sometimes be used interchangeably in Brazilian Portuguese? If you didn't, I invite you to join me. Olá pessoal! Today's lesson was suggested by a dear subscriber. Thank you very much for your constant participation. Oh, and next time all of you have questions or lesson suggestions, send me a video or audio in Portuguese. Yes, send it to that email address. I would love to hear you speak Portuguese and if you allow me, to have you here on the channel. Now, let's begin. As I said in the introduction, the words modo, forma, maneira, and jeito can sometimes be used interchangeably in Portuguese. All of these words can be used to indicate how something is done, being equivalent to way, manner, form. In many cases, they work interchangeably, but jeito is more informal than the other ones. Let's look at some examples. I don't like the way he talks to me. No, I don't. Não gosto do modo como ele fala comigo. Não gosto da forma como ele fala comigo. Não gosto da maneira como ele fala comigo. Não gosto do jeito como ele fala comigo. There is another way to solve this problem. Tem outro modo de resolver este problema. Tem outra forma de resolver este problema. Tem outra maneira de resolver este problema. Tem outro jeito de resolver este problema. But what's the right way? Qual é o modo correto? Qual é a forma correta? Qual é a maneira correta? Qual é o jeito correto? Everyone has a different way of acting. Cada tem um modo diferente de agir. Cada tem uma forma diferente de agir. Cada tem uma maneira diferente de agir. Cada tem um jeito diferente de agir. Even though the words modo, forma, maneira, jeito can mean way in general, there are cases where only one makes sense. Let's see a few of them. For example, modo. Modo is the way in which a piece of equipment is set to perform a particular task. For example, switch the camera into automatic mode. Coloque a câmera no modo automático. Coloque a câmera no modo automático. Now, the word forma. Forma means shape. The particular form something has. For example, he's drawn a robot by combining various shapes. Ele desenhou um robô combinando diversas formas. Ele desenhou um robô combinando diversas formas. Now, maneira. Maneira refers to manners or behavior that is considered to be polite in a particular society. For example, her parents taught her good manners from an early age. Seus pais lhe ensinaram boas maneiras desde cedo. Seus pais lhe ensinaram boas maneiras desde cedo. And finally, jeito, but the word jeito is special. It has many idiomatic uses in Brazilian Portuguese. So what I do recommend you do is click here to to watch a full lesson on the word jeito and tell me later what you learned from it. I highly recommend you watch it so that you can understand us better and speak like a Brazilian. Thank you very much for watching another lesson. See you next time. Até a próxima. Tchau!